Hi guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. Hey, we are in kind of downtown DIamante, not in the historic center, but right up from the sea. And the beaches here are spectacular. It is February, 11th, I think, today. And look at, I'm wearing a t-shirt. It's beautiful out here. I was actually hot, had to take off my sweatshirt. So we're gonna see this beautiful apartment. It's in a lovely building, very well maintained. I'm gonna show you what it looks like. Okay, we are in DIamante and it's gorgeous here. And this is the building where we have our gorgeous apartment that we're going to go see. And the sea is right there. Okay. Okay, good. That's your assigned car. We are just a few minutes from the free beach down below. Oh, beautiful. Yeah. Okay, we're going in. It's a beautiful area. The other apartments nearby are also very well maintained. Okay. Oh, this is beautiful. Ah, okay. Ooh. Beautiful features in here. Super light and bright. Ooh. See. Here's the first bedroom right off the entry hall. Look at this view. Oh my goodness. You have a gorgeous view of the sea. Somebody's vacuuming in the other unit there. It's a little loud, but it's not always like that. This is a lovely little area. Quiet, tranquil, off the beaten path, but still very close to the thick of everything. You have a beautiful little bathroom. And I love the way they do these frames around the mirror. I've seen that in many different places. This is a nice angled shower, and it's all tile, good sized. Really, really nice. Can you imagine waking up to that in the middle of summer? How beautiful that would be. Here's another small bedroom. Very pretty. Again, it has a lot of furniture in here, which I don't think you necessarily need. It has this giant armadio, but you could put another single bed there if you got rid of that armadio. What I've seen more and more, especially with holiday homes, is instead of these giant armadia here, You just put some racks up on the wall and you can just hang your stuff on it. And then if you just had this little dresser, it would be perfect. And you could fit a whole nother bed in here or a writing desk or whatever you want. It's a very, very nice space. And once again, here's your view out the front to see. There's a really charming little space over there, little house over there. It's really cute. And you've got this beautiful courtyard here. It's quiet. Oh, okay. With all the furniture and this really pretty kitchen. This is a nice kitchen. It looks like it's custom because, you know, you got the granite countertops and things like that. So everything in this place comes with it. You just show up. They say key in your hand. You get it with your key in your hand and you're all set to go. This is quite nice. Beautiful cabinets. I love these. And it's a good sized kitchen. And what I like is in summer, when it's hot, you can close this door and the heat of the kitchen doesn't come out into the rest of the apartment. You have 3 bedrooms, 2 baths. This is actually quite a large bathroom. I just love it. Beautiful tile. There's a lot of stuff in here again, but... And then this looks to be the master. This is really, really nice in here. Cooler toward the back of the house and a lot of space. And you have this little sort of glassed-in balcony. It's become a... I believe it was a balcony. It looks like it was a balcony at one point, or a terrace, and they glassed it in, which is kind of nice. You've got your washer out here and blinds and things like that. But you also have this serbatio d'acqua. Now I want to go over those a little bit because in southern Italy sometimes there are droughts and sometimes the water gets shut off like in the middle of the night. It's very nice to have these serbatio d'acqua because they're hooked up so that they seamlessly turn on if there's a situation like that. I know last summer we had a drought and the water was off from like midnight to 4 in the morning. And you know, if you want to flush the toilet, it's nice to have water. It's not that big a deal, but these things make a huge difference. I also noticed in Scalea, our house in Scalea, in August when everybody shows up, the water pressure goes way down. So we're getting these serbatio d'acqua put in our Scalea house so that our guys can shower in the middle of August. But this is lovely. 3 good-sized bedrooms. A really nice layout too. Then you have this really big soggiorno area, which is nice. I mean, usually you have a kitchen soggiorno, but this is just the soggiorno, which is the living space and an eating space. But you also have a good-sized kitchen, and there's eating space in the kitchen. I think I might, if I were to buy this place, I would probably put that bigger table out here and put the little table in the kitchen because you've got plenty of space out here for a big table and entertaining and everything else. And this is just a lovely, lovely apartment. Out here you have another terrace, or it's part of the same terrace. It's all one terrace, but it's nice because you have this beautiful access and this beautiful sea view out here. I wish you could get an idea of the feel. The feel doesn't come across so much in the videos, but this has a really nice, tranquil, calm, safe feel to it. And of course the sea right off your balconies. Just stunning. I love it. I love this place.